Hi viewers, welcome back. In the last video, we have discussed goodwill and methods of valuation of goodwill. There are three methods of valuation of goodwill. First one is average profit method, second one is super profit method, and third one is capitalization method. In this video, we are going to discuss the second method, super profit method. As per this method, this super profit method, a certain number of years purchase of the super profit is regarded as the value of goodwill. Super profit is the excess of actual profit over and above the normal profit. Under super profit method, for the valuation of goodwill, first of all, we need to calculate the super profit. Super profit is the excess of actual profit over and above the normal profit. So the equation is super profit equal to average profit minus normal profit. We know how to calculate the average profit. Average profit is the total profit divided by number of years, that already studied in the earlier class. Then we need to calculate the normal profit. Normal profit equal to capital employed into normal rate of return divided by 100. Capital employed or funds employed is the total amount of capital used for the acquisition of profit by a firm. And capital employed can also refer to as the value of all the assets used by a company to generate earnings. Capital employed equal to total asset minus current liability, or capital employed equal to fixed asset plus working capital. After calculating the super profit, then we can calculate the goodwill. Goodwill equal to super profit into number of years purchase. Okay. Once more, the steps involved under this method are: first, calculate average profit. Then calculate normal profit. Then calculate the super profit by deducting normal profits from the average profit. Then last, calculate goodwill by multiplying the super profit by the given number of years purchase. Now we can solve a problem under this method. A firm's profits for the last 3 years are rupees 5 lakh, rupees 4 lakh and rupees 6 lakh. The normal profits earned by the industry in which the firm operates are 10% of the capital employed, which is rupees 40 lakh. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 4 years purchase of the super profit. In this question, rupees 5 lakh and rupees 4 lakh and rupees 6 lakh is given the profit for the last 3 years, and normal profit is 10% of the capital employed. The capital employed in this question is rupees 40 lakh, and we need to calculate the goodwill under super profit method. We know the steps under super profit method. First, we need to calculate the average profit, then calculate the normal profit, then calculate the super profit, then calculate the goodwill. We know the average profit. We can calculate total profit divided by number of years. Here the total profit rupees 5 lakh plus rupees 4 lakh plus rupees 6 lakh divided by number of years 3. So the amount would be 15 lakh divided by 3, rupees 5 lakh. Then we can calculate the normal profit. Normal profit is the 10% of capital employed. Normal profit equal to capital employed into normal rate of return divided by 100. Here capital employed is 40 lakh. So 40 lakh into 10%, the amount would be 4 lakh. Then third step, calculate the super profit. Super profit equal to average profit minus normal profit. So here The average profit we already calculated rupees 5 lakh and the normal profit is rupees 4 lakh. So the difference 5 lakh minus 4 lakh, the amount would be 1 lakh. So the super profit is rupees 1 lakh. The last we can calculate the goodwill. Goodwill equal to super profit into number of years purchase. Here number of years purchase given in the question 4. So super profit 1 lakh into number of years purchase into 4. That means 1 lakh into 4. The amount is rupees 4 lakh. So the goodwill under super profit method is rupees 4 lakh. This is the way we are calculating the goodwill under super profit method. Under super profit method, you should remember the steps. First, calculate average profit, then normal profit, then super profit, then goodwill. Okay, is it clear?